So what are massage guns? It's essentially like, does little mini micro pulses in order to supposedly massage, reduce DOMS, which is delayed onset muscle soreness, help with recovery, all that sort of stuff. It helps with joint range of motion and subjective pain reduction. The only data that I've seen that's kind of across the board is that joint range of motion. Does it help with recovery? The short answer is not really. Some research says yes, some research says no. Does it help with muscle protein synthesis? No. Does it help you get better sleep? No.